and welcome. Welcome to video number 2 in today's Tuesday math lesson. Remember, this is Tuesday, March 24th, okay? We're starting this week again. We have a lot of activities to do, and we're going to work on math. Yeah. Okay, so in the previous lesson, we did some adding, and in those activities that you did in the previous video, you were adding digits, then you were adding of units, then of tens, and then there were hundreds, okay? And I hope that you did them really, really well. And if you have any questions, you know what to do about it. Yes. Okay, so right now, we're going to move on to activity number 2 that we have prepared today. Okay, we're still on the abacus book. Okay, we've just advanced a couple of pages where we can make sure that you're learning and we're practicing all the things that we know. So if you see the page over here, we are on page number 12, okay, and this file is named number 38. Math, abacus, pages 12 and 13. So we're still going to do some addition, but this activity is a little bit different. Why? Well, if you see at the top of the page up here, we have some colored buckets, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and draw some buckets. How many buckets do we have? 6? Okay, I'm sorry, my artistic skills are not the best. So we're going to ignore that fact. You guys are the artists, not me. So, and if you notice, each of those buckets has a number on them. For example, the red one has 6, then the next one, the purple one is 7, then you have 4, then you have 8, 9, and 3. Okay, you see that right there? Okay, now, you have exercise 1, exercise 2, and exercise 3, okay? And they give you the score. So in number 1, the score is 25, okay? So when you have a score is 25, and then you have a series of additions. You have this one, 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3, 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7. Then you have 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9, and then you have 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 9. Okay, so we're going to figure out which goes where. Now, I know what you noticed. You have 4 different additions, but you only have three scores. So let's do the first one. Let's go ahead and let's do 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. Now, how do we do this easier? Is I know that 3 and 3 is 6, and I know that 4 and 4 is 8, and I know that 8 plus 6 equals 14. So this would match, of all the answers that you have right here, there's only one answer that can match this addition. So number 2, the one number 3, where it says score 14, it is equal actually to 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. Do you see? Okay. Yay. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's do 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7. Now, how much is that? We know that we've been pairing them up, and I know that 3 plus 7 is 10, and I also know that 3 plus 6 is 9, and 9 plus 10 equals 19. Is there a score that is 19? Did you see it already? Yep. This is score number 2. The score 19 equals 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7. Yes. Are you following me, boys? Now we still have one more score to find. I'm going to erase the buckets because we won't be needing them. I was just trying to see if you were on the same page as I was. So I'm going to erase these over here. Erase them. We don't need them anymore. We've already figured out some of the scores. Now we still have to find out if there's one of these additions that solves problem number 1, which is score at 25. Let's see. Score equals 25. And which additions do I have left? I have this one and I have this one. Let's start over here with this one where my mouse is. We have 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9. Let's see how much that is. Let's see. We know that 3 plus 4 equals 7. We do know that. And I don't know if you know, but 8 plus 9, well, 8 plus 8 is 16. You just have to add one more because 9 is one more than 8 is. This is 17. And how much is 17 plus 7? Let's do that here. 7 and 7 is 14. This is 1. This is 24. No! So close. We almost had it. Okay, I'm going to erase that one because that's not it. So it's got to be the next one. Let's see if that's true. Let's see if we can do the last addition. Will give me the answer to this problem. Oops, I got my marker there. Okay, so 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 9. Okay, let's do this. I know that 7 plus 3 is 10, don't I? I also know that 9 plus 6 equals 15. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but it's right there. Look at it. It's in our faces. 10 plus 15 equals 25. Ta-da-da! We have found that number 1, the score is 25, is actually the sum of 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 9. Yay? Okay. So what are you going to do? You're going to solve exercises number 4, 5, 6. You have a bunch of additions here, so you have to do them all and match them, just like we did here on the exercises on the board. You also have to do that for bigger numbers, number 7, 8, and 9. And then you go on to the next page. I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller here for this exercise. It says write these numbers in figures. Okay, boys, this is called placement. Okay, so I can read a number. Now, if you can read with me, it says 6,215. Okay, so how do I do that? How do I do that? How do I make this sound so great? Well, I know that 6,000 is this. I know that 200 is this. And I know that 15 is this. If I make this addition, then I'm going to have 5, 1, 2, 6. 6,215. Can you see it there? I'm going to make myself a little bit bigger so that you can all see it. 6,215. I know that the thousands have 3 zeros, the hundreds have 2, the tens have 2 digits. Do you see it? I hope you do, because you're going to have to do the next one. It says 4,000. So I have thousands, hundreds, units, tens, tens, units. And if I go like this, How many thousands do I have in the next exercise? It says 4,000, 4,000. 600, 600. And then it says 4. So there are no tens. This is a 0 and this is a 4. So that would be 4,604. 604. Do you see it there? I hope you do. If you have any questions, email me, Miss MariaClara. Can you help me here? And I will be sure to help you, okay? I'll see you next time. Make sure you do the entire worksheet, guys. Don't forget.